Do you love animals? Here in kindergarten, we love them all. Our kindergarten class at Waterville Primary School are starting a project to help our animals in our community. We are working with Nature's Nursery for this project. Here are some of the things they need.
Plain Pedialyte.
Jars of baby food. Receiving blankets. Dry and wet cat food. Money for special formula. Cleaning supplies of all varieties. 9-foot towels.
We need your help.
Please think about sending donations we can share with Nature's Nurseries.
We're taking donations from April 1st to April 17th.
Any amount we can give will help animal neighbors. We are so excited to support our local animals through this project. Make us animals happy too. Make us happy too.
Thank you for any help you can give.